there's Cream. Peachy. Peaches. Peach, come look. There's Cream. Lucy, see, look, that's Cream right there. Yelling for Peaches. Peachy, you got to go home. You hear me? Peachy? Peach, go home, Peaches. Cream, you tell him to go home. Her. Cream is a boy. Peaches is a girl. Peaches, you need to go home. Cream is very upset. Look at him. Cream. Look at her. Look at him. That's Peach. That's Cream. Cream gets very upset when Peach is gone. Now here's Peaches. She's always coming over to visit Joseph. And I'm sure her boyfriend, Cream, is not happy about that. And Joseph, he's a senior. He don't want to have anything to do with that. Joseph don't want to get beat up by no big orange cat. So Joseph told her, you need to go home. I do not want no trouble.